Social Security checks arriving today of up to $943. So if you're on Social Security, you might get a check today. Also, Congress calling for a vote on Social Security. I'm going to play a video clip.
To increase seniors' benefits, protect against inflation, and strengthen the program for generations to come.
Of what was recently said on the Congress floor for Social Security. I'll play you the full video clip of that. Also, 6 changes coming to Social Security this year of 2024. What you can expect to happen with your Social Security benefits. I'll let you know all of those 6 changes and give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates. And this video is sponsored by my company, Wise Sense. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score, get my details down in the description below. So, who is going to receive $943 today, February 1st? Well, some Social Security beneficiaries can expect to receive up to $943 today. So let me go over the schedule for February of when you could expect to get your checks. So today, Thursday, February 1st, SSI beneficiaries are going to receive checks. Could be up to $943. That is the average of people on SSI, what they're going to get. Really curious, if you're on SSI, is it higher, lower than $943? Let us know down in the comments below. Then Friday, February 2nd, beneficiaries who retired before May 1997. Then Wednesday, February 14th, beneficiaries with birthdays between the 1st and the 10th. Then Wednesday, February 21st, birthdays between 11th and the 20th. And Wednesday, the 28th, beneficiaries with a birthday between the 21st and the 31st. So those are the dates of when you'll get the Social Security checks for the month of February. And when it comes to what is being said in Congress for Social Security, definitely take a look at this video clip right here.
Mr. Speaker, the overwhelming majority of Americans, Democrats, Republicans, and independents alike, are clear in their support for Social Security. In fact, nearly 9 in every 10 Americans oppose cutting Social Security. That's because for the last 88 years, Social Security has helped millions of Americans retire from a lifetime of work with the dignity that they deserve. But despite the undeniable success and popularity of the program, House Republicans have remained relentless in their fight to dismantle and defund it. What's worse, Mr. Speaker, is Republicans turning their backs on a fundamental promise to the American people, a sacred trust. We're contributing to Social Security. That means that the same safety net that supported our grandparents will be there to support us in retirement. House Democrats still believe in that sacred trust. We want to uphold our end of the promise. That's why I'm proud to support and join Congressman Larson and members of the House Democratic Caucus in supporting Social Security 2100 to increase seniors' benefits, protect against inflation, and strengthen the program for generations to come. I thank the gentleman from Connecticut for his relentless, his tireless leadership on this vital issue, and I yield back.
That was Representative Trahan calling for a vote. What are your thoughts on what she had to say for Social Security? Let us know down in the comments below. All right, so here we go. 6 changes coming to Social Security in 2024. Who could be affected the most? So let's go over these. COLA increase, we know that. That's a measly 3.2% for 2024. A decline in nearly 2/3 from this year's adjustment, but still above the 2.6% average over the past couple of decades. Then more income will be taxed. So it's going from $160,000 in 2023 to now $168,000 in 2024, which mainly impacts those with higher salaries. Workers pay a 7.65% FICA tax from their paychecks, with 6.2% going to Social Security. Then 3, maximum Social Security benefit will increase. So the maximum Social Security benefit is going up to $3,822 from $3,627 in 2023. Also, they're looking to change the full retirement age, which is currently either 66 or 67. Then higher earnings test. So if you also continue to work after filing Social Security benefits, you might be subject to an earnings test if you earn a certain amount of money. 2024, the earnings exempt from retired earnings test will increase to $22,320 from $21,240 in 2023. Number 5, spousal and disability benefits will be bigger. So widowed mothers with 2 children will see average benefits increase to $3,653 a month in 2024 from $3,540 in 2023, according to the SSA. For aged widows and widowers living alone, average benefit will rise from $1,773 a month from $1,718 a month. And then higher SSI payment standards. For number 6, for individuals who receive supplemental security income benefits in addition to Social Security, the SSI federal payment standard will rise $943 a month in 2024 from $914 in 2023. For couples, the standard will increase to $1,415 a month from $1,371 a month. So looks like benefits are increasing for 2024. We see some averages going up for certain types of payments, certain thresholds, but that measly 3.2% COLA is just not enough. Anyways, that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, I'm going to give you the 5 positive tips to make you start your day and make you be positive and grateful as much as you can. So first, stay happy, stay strong, and have good vibes, and do great to others when they do great to you. And also, you know this one, be nice to others when you be nice to them. Bye.
If you want to see the latest bill that just got introduced in Social Security in 2024, this is the second bill, I believe, for 2024 Social Security. You're going to want to click this video right over here. Also, I go over how a lot of people on Social Security are going to get taxed due to the higher COLA last year. So you're not going to want to miss that. Click that video now and I'll inform you of all those important updates. So click that. I'll see you in that video. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for watching.